In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find a traffic ticket online in Tennessee State. If you need to check a traffic ticket in Tennessee, the most important thing to know is that these records are often handled locally. That means the exact lookup process can vary depending on the county where the citation was issued. In many cases, your first stop should be the local county court clerk, usually the circuit court clerk or general sessions court clerk for the county involved. To begin, go to the Tennessee Traffic Ticket Records record search website. This is a helpful starting point because it can guide you toward the right local court or traffic record resource. Since Tennessee does not always use one single statewide public lookup for every traffic citation, this step helps you identify where your ticket is likely being managed. Once you are there, check for the county where you received the violation. Most traffic tickets are processed by that specific county, so if your ticket was issued in one part of Tennessee, you will usually need to use that county's clerk website or online portal rather than a general statewide search. Take your time here and make sure you select the correct county because choosing the right jurisdiction is what will lead you to the correct case information. There is also a Tennessee state database for moving violation records. If you are an authorized user under the Federal Driver's Privacy Protection Act, and you are a registered user, you may be able to search through the state's interactive moving violation records system. This option is useful in certain situations, but it is not the standard public method for everyone, so most people will still need to rely on the county level court clerk system first. Before you start searching, make sure you have the right information ready. The most helpful item is your citation or ticket number. You should also have your driver's license number and your date of birth available, since many systems use those details to confirm your identity and locate the correct record. Having this information ready in advance will make the process much faster and reduce the chance of search errors. As a quick tip, if you cannot find your ticket right away, double check the county listed on the citation and make sure you are searching the correct court website. Small mistakes, like using the wrong county or entering a number incorrectly, can prevent your case from showing up. That's how to find a traffic ticket online in Tennessee State. Follow the county-based lookup first, use the state moving violation database only when applicable, and keep your ticket details ready before you begin.